here's my aftermath video. Car is in pretty good shape actually. So I'll just kind of show you. Took a couple little shots on the front bumper here. Went nose up with one driver once. The real damage, what really put me out of the heat, was took a little shot up front here and busted my rack joint off my steering. As you can see, I used some baling wire to try to strengthen it just before the heat, but was not enough, or if it was enough, I didn't do it right. So either way, that's got to be fixed. Was able to lay a decent rear end shot to try and get the rear end to go up a little, and it is going up nicely. I wish I'd hit a little bit more square. As you can see, kind of going like that there. But I can pull this side up with a chain puller and kind of even it out a little bit. But that's it, guys. I mean, that's the only damage. Carb was a little touchy during the heat, so I'm thinking I'm gonna swap back to my Edelbrock carb. But this thing will be nice and ready to go for Adams County, which is the next show. So, you know, picked up a trophy in a small heat and a little bit of cash, and the car is still in pretty darn good shape, and the fixes should come fast and easy. So yeah, see you guys on the next video where I show you how I'm gonna fix it all. And so thanks for watching.